What are user stories?
In this video, we're going to be talking about user stories. So user stories are something which can be used by any software development company to actually validate an idea and actually check out each and how the customer actually going to interact with the software. So the first thing is going to be a role goal benefit. So what does a role goal benefit actually mean? It means we have a role. We have a role for this system. So for example, if you have a requirement, let's say we want to build a feature which allows to post images on this app. So what's the role of the requirement? It's going to be posting images on the app. So what is the benefit of this? And how is it going to be benefiting our customer base? Well, the customer can interact and share his or her own profile inside the app. So that's how we actually assess role goal benefit. So we assess each different limitation for this. That's why we also go for limitations. What are the limitations of this project? What can we limit this by? What is the limitation role of this? So we can't have a person doing unlimited images. That would be highly inefficient for a hard disk server. Well, I'm just saying in the more software definite approach, that is. Then how do we actually limit this behavior? We can do node connection files on each different image to actually scale down the images and have our own limitations. Well, that's how limitations are actually preserved. Next, we have definition of done. So the definition done states that when do we say a product is ready, or when do we say a feature is ready? So for example, we consider here the feature role is to get a person to be able to upload an image. So I would say we can say that the product is done after the person actually has the ability to imply or actually upload an image to his or her own profile in the app. So that would give the definition of done. Next, we have the engineering tasks. So engineering task is something, an important concept. So what does the engineering task actually do? It goes everything from design to development, design, processing, testing, validation, etc. like we all talked about in the previous slides. So that's how actually this iterative development actually goes. Next, what do we do next after all these? That is effort estimation. So the effort estimation is basically, like we talked about, for a task which is hard, very hard, hard, medium, and easy. So we give a point for this. We can say this is 5, this is 4, and this medium is 2, and this is 1. We can just give a good estimate on how hard the task is, and we can actually divide the task on based on the time phases. Suppose we have a time constraint of 20 different blocks, for example. So we can do about 4 into very hard tasks, or we can do 20 into easy tasks. So we can define on if you want to do 1 very hard task, 2 hard tasks, and you get the point. You can get and make sure that you get your own time location properly using this effort estimate. So that's how the effort estimate actually works. So guys, I just wanted to talk about this invest feature.
Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more, want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a likes up and subscribe.